Hello everybody, welcome back. Adiko dhan kusoo dhawaada. Hadda maxaa sameynaynaa book iyo story time aan sameynoonaa. The book we're gonna read is Five Little Monkeys. So basically maxaa fiirinoonaa cunuga ma yaqaana page sida loo turn gareeyo hadda markana storyyaasha ku point gareysid ma kuu sheegi karaa storyga wuxuu ka socdo. So we're gonna read Five Little Monkeys jumping on the bed. What do you see? They are taking a bubble bath. It was a bedtime, so five little monkeys take a bath. Five little monkeys put on their pajamas. Five little monkeys brush their teeth. Can you help me turn the page? Thank you. Ooh, what do you see on the bed?
They're sleeping.
Oh, they're sleeping. Nice. Five little monkeys say good night to their mother.
Good
Who's
night.
that?
Their mother.
Their mother. All right, what are they doing now?
They're playing.
They're playing on where?
The bed.
Nice. Then five little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Bed.
Thank you for turning the page. One fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
No more monkeys
jumping on the bed. Good. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So four little monkeys jumping on the bed. Here, can you help me turn the page? Let's see. Let's do it together. Oh, we turned one more page. We'll go back to the other one. Okay, jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
No, that's the girl because
The girl fell?
Yeah.
Nice. The mommy called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So, three little monkeys. How many are jumping on the bed? Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and
bumped your head. That's the girl.
that's the girl again, you're right.
That's the boy.
That's the boy. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
no more monkeys
jumping on the bed. Good job. So two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and
bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the
doctor said,
no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
ooh, let's see what happens.
One little monkey
Keep jumping on the bed. She fell off and
bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Do you think they're going to jump on the bed again?
No.
So five little monkeys fall fast asleep. Thank goodness, said the mom. Good night.
Now let's leave.
So sidaan dhahay ama kala soo storyga ha kula ciyaalka day yaqaanaan ha kula akhriyaan hadday page kula turn garayaan page ka kula turn garayaan hadday markana way boodaan la dambo bood waxa buuga storyga ka socdo sida hadda riya ay dhahaysa oh five little monkeys ayada hadda no more monkeys jumping on the bed oo dhahaysa so waxa dhan ay sameynayaan. So thank you so much oo naga soo qayb gasheen story time ka, and we will see you guys next time.